Hey guys, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope you all had a great Christmas and I hope you all got what you wanted. I know I did. So let me just get right into this Christmas recap. So first, I got a blaster of NBA hoops. I got this Pierre Jackson and this Allen Iverson insert for the Sixers PC. I got this double trouble of LeBron James and Kyrie Irving for the LeBron PC, but my LeBron PC I just pull stuff. Archie Goodwin out of $2.99, pretty cool. And for my hit, I got Rashawn Holmes for the Sixers PC. Pretty happy about that since he's a Sixer. Next, I got a box of Prestige Blaster Box. I got this Giannis Antetokounmpo out of 149. I got this Dakari Johnson out of 99. I got this Clifford Robinson for my hit. Not bad. So then I got a blaster box of Panini Contenders. I got this pretty nice Jahlil Okafor for the Sixers PC. And for my two hits, I got the same player. And this is the this is the autograph, the one on the top. So I ripped it out because I got two. So what's the point? Quinn Cook. If it just focuses. There we go. But there is no autograph because I ripped it out. And this is the red version. So yeah. Next I got a box of E.D. Letterman. I got this Cleanthony Early out of 99. There you go. I got this Patrick Young out of 999. I got this Sean Kilpatrick out of 999. I got this Jusuf Nurkic of 499. You can see the numbering. Got this Shabazz Napier out of 499. I got this Purvis Ellison out of 249. For my hits, I got this Kenny Smart autograph. Got this pretty sweet Hakeem Olajuwon Home Court Stars. I love Hakeem, my favorite center. And I got this Shabazz Napier for my Letterman out of 50. Pretty cool box. Satisfied with it. Now for my card show recap. I went to Frank & Son's collectible show in LA, and I was pretty happy with it. So first I got a box of Innovation. Got this stained glass of Ben Gordon. I got this Andre Iguodala out of 349 for Sixers. Well, played with them. And I got this Kemba Walker rookie out of 349. For my hits, I got this Ryan Anderson. Not happy about that. Jay Crowder out of 25. That's okay. That was an okay hit. And I got this Kevin Durant jersey out of 99. Wasn't really happy with that box. I was more happy about the show than I was with the box. And for my pickups at the show, I got this Robert Parrish. I just put in a mag. And I got this Earl Monroe autograph out of 15, which is his jersey number. And 15 out of 249. So picked these two up. And then I was looking through the card show and I saw this pretty cool Isaiah Thomas Prism autograph. I saw this and I traded my Gail Goodrich autograph, which I got for like $5, and my Kobe Bryant jersey that I pulled out of a box that my dad gave me. And I traded both of those for this card. I was pretty happy about that trade because he's a top 50. He was a bad boy. Detroit Piston bad boy. So I kind of like him. Now for some pickups. I picked these two up at a card shop in Vegas. I was in Vegas for Christmas. So I got these three cards. For the PC Patrick Ewing jersey, but there's also David Lee and Nate Robinson on the jersey out of $2.99. Got this Kenny Anderson autograph out of $50. I got this Derek Favors autograph out of $50. I think he has a lot of potential, and I think he'll be good someday. And today I got him some mags. I got 5 mags. 6 mags, my bad. And I used those 3 cards. I put a mag in those 3 cards that I showed you. These, this, and this. So I used those 3. Sorry about that. And I put these cards in the mag. Put this Willis Reed autograph in the mag. This Dave Cowens in the mag. And this Hal Greer in the mag. So yeah. And for my best Christmas pickups I bought myself was this John Stockton. Really wanted the autograph of this player because he's like top 50 and he leads the league or he has the most steals and assists ever in NBA history. So that's pretty cool. And I got this Karl Malone jersey out of 25. Second most points in NBA history. Teamed up with John Stockton. So yeah, that's a nice card to have. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you all had a great Christmas. See ya.